How to fix the Instagram reels not showing in your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix the Instagram reels that is not showing in your iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your app store and you just have to go in the search and you just have to search for your Instagram. So now once you are in, you just have to click on it and make sure that your Instagram is updated, and if it is not, you just have to update it. And after updating your Instagram, you just have to go back and go in your phone settings. So now once you're in your phone setting, you have to click on the general, and from here you have to go in your iPhone storage. So once you are in, you just have to click in your Instagram, and from here you have to click on the offload app, and from here you just have to offload your Instagram and you just have to go back and open up your Instagram. So now once you are in here, you have to refresh its feed page, and after that, if the reel still not available in your feed page, what you have to do is simply click in your profile and click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, and from here you just have to go in your settings and your privacy. Now from here you have to scroll down and you have to go in your help and you have to report a problem. Now you just have to click on it, and from here you have to include and continue the logs, and you have to here briefly explain that what happened and what is not working. You have to write that your Instagram reels is not showing in your iPhone, and you also have to mention your ID name, and you just have to click on the send. So this is the only way that you can fix your Instagram reels not showing in your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.